I tell you what, this weekend is the Blown Alcohol Displacement Powerboat Challenge, but next weekend, oh my golly gosh, I'm going to go and see the top fuelers at Sydney Dragway. 22,000 horsepower each dragway, each drag car has. And wow, far out. As Troy Marland brings it down, we've got green flag at race control. As Troy Marland takes the boat down the bottom turn, bridge end of the course, and brings it back onto the main straight.